everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a little unboxing for you. This is the Walmart Beauty Box. This is, I believe, the summer box. It kind of has that summer look to it. This is one of those boxes that I had gotten, I don't know, a year and a half ago, something like that. My husband kind of encouraged me to do some nice things and that he would pay for them. It's $5 a quarter, so $20 a year. It's not that big of a deal, but you know, my husband wanted me to do something nice, so I chose something very simple, very inexpensive, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it even though he's paying for it, because I don't know. I like getting things, but I'm not sure that I need any of this stuff, if you know what I mean. Being on a no-buy, again, it was kind of like a gift from him for, you know, things that I do here for the family on a regular basis. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep it. It's not a bad box, and that's not it, but I don't know. I'm really thinking about canceling. But let me show you what's inside this one. It looks like this inside. It has, you know, the little card with all of the information on how to get the boxes. And let me show you what's in here. I do actually like pretty much everything that is in this box, and it's well worth the $5 to me. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep the stuff, like, or keep getting it? It's quarterly. It's not like it's a big deal. It's not a lot of money. And again, the husband's paying for it, so it's not me breaking a no-buy. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about the Walmart Beauty Boxes. Let me show you what's in here. The first thing is the Kleenex wet wipes. They're gentle and clean. They're for like your hands and your face, stuff like that, to refresh. Really nice in the summertime for me as well as my kids. So that's going to go right in my purse, and that will get used up in no time. I also got this Village Naturals Therapy. It is for aches and pains and muscle relief. There is a bath oil and body wash on this side and a hand and body lotion on this side. And oh, it's eucalyptus, spearmint, and menthol. I'm going to really like that. And I'm sure this is one that I will probably want to repurchase just based on the essential oils in that, because that is a heavenly combination, but I can't buy it. This one I was really excited to try. This is the Pantene Pro-V Foam Conditioner. I guess it kind of goes in like a mousse, but it's actually a leave-in conditioner. That's me. That's cool. All right. More stuff, more masks, a lot of literature that I really don't care about. This is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer, and it's a day-night mask. And it's interesting. It felt a little stiff at the top and not so much at the bottom, but I think it was just all up there and there was an air bubble. Yeah, okay. I can always use another face mask. And the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. I'm all for hair masks. I'm good with that. You know, this hair needs a lot of moisture. And the Sue AE Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. And this feels like it's one of those, kind of feels like it reminds me of the hydrogel masks from Neutrogena. I can't talk. Where it feels like the Jello jigglers that you put on your face, and it has all the essence with it. That's what it feels like to me. That is everything in this little box. Again, it's only $5. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not hating the products. I don't want you to think that, because I will use every single thing in this box. I've had boxes that I was like, what the heck is this? But the last few boxes I've gotten, I've been very pleased with, especially for the price point. I can't really complain. But do I need to get masks constantly? I have a ton of skincare, and they do send masks a lot. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm a little torn. I like the products. I like that I can try new things that I wouldn't otherwise try, like this foam conditioner, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me what you think. I know there's a few people that are going to say it's counterproductive because I'm on a no-buy and I'm trying to reduce my collection, which I am trying to do. And I have reduced my collection quite a bit. Still getting this box for the last year and a half, and still getting the Sephora Play, both of which were gifts from my husband. I don't know though. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Please leave your comments down below because I'm really genuinely curious, like the devil and the angel on each shoulder, what they would say to me in this situation. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.